A new program aims to help students who may witness or experience traumatic events. The Handle with Care program allows the Worcester Police Department to contact the public schools to let them know if a child might need special attention. Our Olivia Lemmon joins us now in Worcester with the latest. Olivia?
Brittany, the Handle with Care program started in West Virginia in 2013. Since then, it's been adopted in 20 states, including Plymouth and Worcester County in Massachusetts. The city says the main goal is to help students who have experienced trauma succeed in school. Recognizing some Worcester public school students may witness or experience traumatic events, city and school leaders want to make sure they're doing more to help them and their families.
We're trying to provide interventions and services to children, including counseling, education.
School Safety Director Rob Pizzella says a new program called Handle with Care will allow the police department to notify school personnel and teachers when a student is involved in trauma.
All officers have been notified that if they're involved in an incident where a child experiences something unusual, some kind of trauma, whether it could be a parent overdosing or just a bad situation in a house or someone involved in a car accident, we would send an email with the kid's name, the grade they're in school, and the school they go to a particular email address. That's the only information we'd send. It's not sharing anything that should be private.
New data from the state's Department of Public Health this week shows fatal overdoses are on the rise in Worcester. Pizzella says, unfortunately, some of those cases are parents with children in the home.
We also know that there is substance abuse going on in households and that children are witnessing this, which makes them prone to themselves one day, maybe, embarking on a life of substance use and other substance abuse disorders.
City Manager Ed Augustus says students who experience something like an overdose may come into school the next day with issues they don't know how to cope with.
And while maybe the specific information about what happened last night can't be shared, the idea that something happened, that these kids need to be kind of handled with care over the next couple of days or weeks is important for teachers and principals to know.
Research shows trauma can undermine children forming relationships and their ability to learn and function appropriately in the classroom. Pizzella says he wants schools to be a safe place for students.
Schools are a haven for students to have some stability despite what's going on in their lives that's causing a lot of disharmony and unrest.
And the state's Department of Children and Family will also issue Handle with Care notices to Worcester Public Schools when they receive information about traumatic events. Live in Worcester, Olivia Lemmon, Worcester News Tonight.